Good morning students. Sairam. Welcome back to the computer session. In the last session we have started the new lesson, that is chapter number 4, slide organization. In that we have learned how to add a new slide and how to change the slide layout in your slide, and how to edit the text and moving text, copying text and inserting text box, and how to rearrange the slide with the help of slide sorter, and how to insert a clip art in your slide. In this session we will learn working with word art, inserting shapes and using shadow effects. Working with word art. The word art features helps you to create special text effects. It gives a unique look to the text. Word art, you can make the text curved, wavy, shadowed, or you can apply a 3D effects. That means the word art feature helps you to create special text effects, and it gives a unique look to the text. Okay. For that we will insert a new slide. Okay. So click on the new slide and insert a blank slide or whichever slide you want to insert. Okay. I am taking here blank slide, and here you can see word art button in the insert tab. Click on the insert tab and word art right in the illustration group. Right. You can see, and click on the word art. Okay. So word art, when you click the word art button, can you see here? Okay. Now select the style from word art style from your computer. Double click on the particular style. Okay. Then here can you see the placeholder? You can write the text. Okay. Here we will write my presentation. Okay. Okay. Now you want to change the color of the text. You can make it with the help of again the format button, right? You can see, and the home tab. Go to the home tab. Okay. And the drawing toolbar also you can see there, or you can take a format tab. With the help of format tab you can fill the color. Format tab and select a fill text, right? You can select it and you can change the different color of the text. Okay. And you can check text outline. Okay. Select the text, again select the format tab, and the drawing toolbar can you see the outline, text outline. Okay. And okay, text outline, you can see drop down arrow, right? You can see the outline text. Okay. I have selected a red color. So, and now you can take the text effects also. Okay. From the glow variation section. Okay. You can take the text effects also. Okay. This way you can insert a word art in your presentation. Now inserting shapes. Okay. The shapes, what is shapes? The shapes is a drawing feature that helps in drawing different shapes. Okay. It is a drawing feature. It helps in drawing a different shapes. The shapes can be resized, rotated, flipped and color it. Okay. So click on the shape button, click on the insert. In the same illustration group, can you see the shape? Illustration group on the insert tab. Can you see the shapes over there? Basic shapes. Insert a basic shapes. Okay. Can you see here? Basic shapes. Okay. Now you can resize. To resize a shape, select it. You will find the 8 handle to resize the text. Okay. So the pointer changes to double headed arrow. Drag the mouse pointer to change the size of the picture, that is shapes. Okay. Now can you see the picture? Okay. Now we will select the picture Can you see here? Right? Right. Take it any one point. 8 points. Can you see there 8 points? Take any one point and you can drag it. Okay. Now again you want to fill the color. Go to the Home tab and Drawing toolbar. Okay. Go to the Home tab and Drawing toolbar and you can select the different color. Yes, children, this way you can change the different colors. Okay. You can format it. Okay. Take one more shape. Okay. And okay. Now you want to select both the shapes. Okay. So how will you select both the shapes? By using Shift key. Okay. If I'll click, it will be selected only one shape, right? But you want to select both the, yes. Okay, now I am dragging. Can you see here? Okay, how it looks? Okay, now to maintain the shape's height and width ratio, hold down the Shift key and drag it. Always while you are dragging the picture or shapes, remember you have to hold the Shift key so that you can maintain the shape's height and width ratio. Yes, children? Okay. When you are resizing the shapes, use Shift key and drag it. Okay. You can select more than one shapes of object. Okay. By holding the Shift key now. Now see one shape. We will select. Okay. Now you can, with the help of Home tab and the Drawing toolbar, you can put the color also. You can apply the color also. Okay. Where it is in the Home tab, Drawing, and you can give the different shade also. Okay. Yes, children. Now understood you can how to change the color of the shapes, right? And to resize it also, select it. Okay. You will find 8 handles around it. Okay. And select any one handle and drag it. Okay. Now we are going to select a more than one shape. Okay. Now to fill color on a shape, select any shape object and click on the shapes in the fill button. Okay. Select the shapes. To maintain the shapes height and width ratio, hold down the Shift key while you drag the shapes. But you can select more than one shape object by holding the Shift key and clicking on the required object. Okay, now we will select one more. Okay, shapes. Okay, now use Shift key, color it, use Shift key and click both the object. Okay, now see. Okay, now you can change the, see here, you can move it. So both the objects are moving. Why? Because we have selected both the object, right? Okay. So similarly, you can rotate picture under Drawing tool on the Format tab. You can rotate the picture and you can flip an object. That is, a flipping means what? Turn over an object. Okay, you can turn with the help of flip option. You can turn the object. Okay, let us see now. We will select again the same picture. Okay, select the picture in the Format tab. Okay, how to select it? By taking a Shift key. Okay, and Format tab. Can you see the option over there? Flip, rotate, observe the picture. Now we are rotating the pictures. Okay, yes, children. Now flip. Okay, now it is flipping. Now you can see right, left, see here, opposite, right? See here. Okay, this way you can flip your object. Yes, children. So, a slide layout can be changed either in normal view or slide sorter view. Okay, the text box is what? It is a placeholder where text can be inserted and manipulated. The clip art is used to add pictures in slide, and a word art helps you to create a special text effect. Yes, children. So, in this session we have learned how to adding a new slide, right? So, how to add a slide? Open PowerPoint and click on the new button, right? In the home tab, click on the new button and select the new slide. Now you want to change the layout for the slide, click on the layout button in the home tab and you can change the slide, right? And you can edit the text, okay, by clicking the placeholder. Can you see the place by place here? With the help of placeholder, you can edit the text. Same thing, you can move the text and you can copy the text. So moving means what? You have to cut the text from one place, cut, and you have to put it in the different slide, right? So it is Control X and Control V. Okay, same thing, you can make a duplicate slide with the help of copy paste. And when you are doing copy paste and the cut paste, that time in the clipboard is saving, a temporary storage is there in the clipboard. It will save in the clipboard. Okay. So, you can do a copy paste and you can insert a text box, right? You can insert a text box, different text with the help of text box, and you can arrange a slide in slide sorter view. Okay, blank presentation, adding text, right? And select a text toolbar. Yes. Okay, text box, and you can add your text box. Yes, children. And okay, and rearrange the slide. How to arrange? Go to the slide sorter view and you can rearrange the slide. Okay, you can move the slide from one place to another. So, you can rearrange the slide. Yes, children. Okay, and word art, right? We have learned word art, insert, and where is the word art? Insert, and you can select illustration group and basic shapes, right? You can select basic shapes, different shapes. When you want to select a more than one shape, then you are pressing what? Shift key. With the help of shift key, you can select more than one object. Okay, and you can move the object. Okay, children. So we will stop this session. Sai Ram.